Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch we need to press and hold the upper button and the lower button together. We need to keep holding both of these until we see the OnePlus logo on the screen. So let's start by pressing and holding the buttons and keep holding them. And once you see the OnePlus logo on the screen, you can release the buttons and wait until the watch is done rebooting. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.